Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at a case for the Google Pixel 4 XL. Now this case is made by Aeska. I've used them before. It's an inexpensive case, under 10 bucks. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Google Pixel 4 XL case, Aeska Ultra Slim, thin, flexible TPU skin silicone protective case for the Google Pixel 4 XL. It's the clear version. Some pictures right there, TPU, flexible, stylish, dot pattern so it doesn't get any watermarks in the back. And it comes in different colors. You can get it in black. Now the black is not a clear, but you got the TPU clear, that's what I have. The purple, and another TPU clear here. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'll put the link in the description for you. This is $5.89, so pretty inexpensive. Okay, so here's the packaging. Google Pixel 4 case, not much on there. Pretty eco-friendly plastic. Opens right there pretty easily. It's got a little foam inside here. Let's take this out. Now, actually, I have used this case already. Now, the case fits great. You can see it's a clear case. It's got a little dot pattern. You can't really see it clearly, but you can see clearly through the case. No problem. You got your volume up and down rocker, your power button right there. It's a little bit, it's textured a little bit differently. No, it's the same as the other buttons, no different texture there. You got a little bit of a raised area around the camera, so that's going to be protected. Got your mic hole right there. And you got your speaker grill charging port and your other speaker grill right there. Nothing on this side, and no branding at all as I can see on this case. But rubbery TPU, but it fits pretty well. Now let's go ahead and put the Pixel 4 XL inside. Okay, so we got the Google Pixel 4 XL right here. Let's go ahead and put it inside, put the bottom in first. Now, as I said, the case fits nice and tight. No movement around the edges. Everything fits nice there. Everything lines up. Your speaker grill, charging port, other speaker grill right there. You got your little opening for your mic. You can see that hole is lined up pretty well. And you got your volume up and down rocker, and you can see through the color for your button right there, power button. Camera, as you can see, is well protected. It's covered, so you're not going to be able to touch the camera on the surface. No feet on this, so the back will be touching the surface, but it's clear, nice looking case, and it's slim. So it's not too bulky, but it's going to give you some protection. You can see the side actually comes out a little bit. So you do have some protection if you drop the device. Probably waist down, you're okay. I wouldn't throw this across the room because you might have a problem. Now, you got a little bit of a lip, not a whole lot, and that's pretty good. But you will have some protection for your face for the screen right there if you set it down in the front. Now let's go ahead and check out wireless charge. Okay, so we got the wireless charger out. Let's put this on. Okay, picks out wireless charge, no problem. Okay, so that was a quick look at a clear case for the Google Pixel 4 XL made by Aeska. It's a pretty inexpensive case, less than 10 bucks. And it works pretty well. Give you good protection, good scratch protection, especially if you don't like to use cases anyway. And you don't want to spend a lot of money on a case. This is probably a good one for you. If you want a clear case, you can see the phone through. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.